Here's a certified 2017 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. It's well equipped with the features you need: twin-turbo V6 engine, four-wheel drive, engine auto stop-start feature, active grille shutters, integrated navigation system, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.